everybody, it's Farmer Tina from Grow It Green Morristown, and this week's kit is Picklelicious, and it's all about making delicious pickles. So I'm gonna show you guys a recipe to make refrigerated dill pickles today. It's a garlic dill recipe. There are lots of recipes all over the internet. This is just one that I happen to like. So that recipe is included in your kit along with the supplies for you to make it. So I'm gonna show you guys all the steps. It's super easy and can be done in less than 10 minutes. All right, step one in making my pickles. I have my 5 cups of water. I am going to be adding a 1 1/3 cup white vinegar. If you want to use apple cider vinegar, go right ahead. And I'm also adding 1/3 cup of my kosher salt. And you definitely want to buy this version of the salt. I did include it in the kit that I gave to you guys, but other types of salts have these anti-caking agents, which might make your pickling liquid cloudy, so it's not going to look as good. But I'm going to let these things come to a boil. While my water is boiling, I'm going to start getting my jars ready to be filled. To the jars, I'm going to add my 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to make sure that I crush it. And I'm also adding 1/2 teaspoon of that pickling spice that came in my kit. And I'm also going to add 1 good sized sprig of dill. If you want more dill, go right to it. If you want more garlic, go ahead. Now I'm going to start preparing my cucumbers. So the cucumbers, I want to make sure that they're going to fit in this jar. So right now this one's a little bit too big. So I'm going to start by cutting off the ends, and then it's totally up to you. If you want to make chips, you could definitely just slice them like chips, to put them in. Or if you want to make spears, once again, and I've washed these cucumbers, so make sure you wash the cucumbers. And now I'm going to cut these more into like my dill spears. Once my brine is boiling, then I'm just going to turn it off and let it cool. So my pickles are done, and I am going to make sure that they go in the refrigerator. They'll be ready to eat basically in 24 hours. They're best probably within the first 2 weeks, but these will keep about a month. You will have leftover brine, so this brine could be cooled. You can use it because you're probably gonna have leftover cucumbers as well. If you have another jar, great, you can make yourself another jar of cucumbers. You can also pickle lots of other things as well. And one thing is, if you eat these really fast, so like my family will eat these like in a day, you could actually use this brine, just put a new set of cucumbers in there. They're kind of like new pickles right away. So with that extra brine, if you have other veggies you want to pickle, these are actually radishes I pickled, and it's really cool because they become this really pretty pink color afterwards. But I hope you guys had fun making pickles. Enjoy them in a day or two. And I hope this inspires you to maybe make some more things by preserving them, by pickling. Like I said, these are refrigerated, so they're not gonna be shelf stable. So you make sure you keep them in the refrigerator. Delicious. Please tag us on Instagram at GIGM Motown and let us know about your creations. Thanks so much.